Hi guys, I think it's time for another super easy beginner's tutorial. In today's video is all about how to apply liquid eyeliner in 3 simple steps. Are you ready? Let's go! First, I'll be using Revlon Colorstay Skinny Liquid Liner. I've been using this for almost a year and I love it. First step is shake the tip so the formula is nice and smooth. Step 1. The most important thing is how you hold the brush. You wanna lay the brush flat, kinda like going in a sliding motion. You don't wanna go straight in the tip of the brush because you always get a little messy. Step 2. Start in the middle of the eye. Get as close to the lash line as possible. I like starting in the middle because starting in the inner corner can give you clutter and you don't want that. When you start in the middle and drag to the other corner while using the leftover product to go and line the inner corner.
My heart would beat if you were close to me. I wanna show you, wanna let you loose inside my brain to see if you'd run or stay.
Step 3. If you love a little wing action, follow along your lower lash line going upwards. This is a great guidelines to make sure that your liner is even, and when that's done, we'll fill that in and go over the wing if you want any more dramatic look. And last but not least, I'm gonna grab my 208 from Ardell Lashes. I like to apply with a tweezer, and once the glue gets sticky, stick in the middle first, then carefully position the ends in place. And here's the final look. It's super easy. When I first started with makeup liquid eyeliner, always seems to be complicated, but it's really not. Just follow the 3 simple steps in this video and stay that liner. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up for more beginners videos. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!